Well, good morning. I've been up probably 45 minutes now. I've already got my sleeping bag and mat away. As you can see, all rolled up, ready to be packed. I didn't even bother with the guy lines last night, a bit pointless. So, no rain in the night, it's dry this morning. Tent's got a bit of dew or something on it, but it'll soon dry out. So we're just gonna get ready now. The lady has said that breakfast is served. It's a cheese sandwich or something we're having, which is plenty for us to get going between 8 and 1:30, which is a bit late to be honest. But time on now, it's nearly 8 o'clock now, so yeah, so we'll get our cheese butty down now next, and we'll probably bunt road it next half an hour or so. We had a few beers last night, but we didn't go mad. How many did we have? About 4?
3 to 4. 4.
4 cans. Oh, that's good for us.
And they were small.
The thing they've got here, they've got a good little setup. They've got this shed set to one side with little sofas and things in it. And there's a fridge in it. You can put your own beers and things if you bring stuff. But obviously, we're travelling a lot on a motorbike. But it's a good idea because she's got like a load of cans in there, cans of beer, different ones. And there's a price, and there's just a honesty box there. So if you're taking a few cans, she's charging €1.75 a can. And you just put the money in, have a few beers. So that's what we did last night. It's a good idea. Yesterday on the bike, apart from my phone, I didn't charge anything because obviously from home and on the ferry, the power banks were all charged up full. So yesterday I travelled with nothing charging other than my phone on the quad lock on the handlebars. Today that's a different story because last night obviously charging the cameras, charging my watch, charging a few different things, recharged the drone after I'd flown it around here. So the wiring I've done to my top box, if you've seen that in a previous video, we're coming into action today because while I'm on the ride, the stuff in the top box will be getting charged as a ride. And hopefully by the time I get to my destination later today, all the power banks and everything else will be fully charged. So today I filled the Camelback. I didn't actually have a drink of anything while we were travelling yesterday. And I got here, I was spitting feathers. So today I filled that. Got 2 litres of water in it. I'm pretty sure I won't need 2 litres.
It's time to pack everything away and get it loaded on the bike.
Crikey, Charlie. On the next GS, can they put a reverse gear on them? Pan-Europeans and the Gold Wings, they have them. Easy on this wet grass. Well, viewers, good morning. It is 9 o'clock, we're setting off. We've left camp, we've had breakfast, packed up obviously, and away we go. We're now off away into Germany, leaving Holland. Well, we will be in a few hours, and it's absolutely scorching. I'm glad actually we've stopped here now. We've met some Dutch people, which were very nice. We've seen a bit of, a bit of Holland, and it's exactly, like I said yesterday, it's exactly what I expected. It's, the image you have in your head of a country with all the things you expect to see. It's been exactly that, and it's brilliant. Really pleased with that. So yeah, it's a country I'd come to again. It's definitely got more to offer. Oh, I've not seen any wooden clogs. So we've both got Garmin sat-navs and they don't follow ball, you'd think they would. And now we're using Google Maps and they go different bloody ways. How does that work? It's weird that, isn't it?
One thing to watch for when riding overseas is the priority system. You don't know whether you've got priority way or not,
No.
but the car drivers don't care.
Oh, Jesus.
Basically, how it works is, if you have to cross one of these, you haven't got priority. Something I learnt the hard way.
Jesus. I'm learning. There's one here and all, so this. Exactly, I've learned my lesson. You see these, and that's why it's raised up. These speed bumps are not, well, they are speed bumps, they're meant to slow down because it's a junction. So that's the reasoning behind them. Slow down for them, it's a speed bump, but you know, you've got to give way. Right, not here, but the next one we're going right. Is yours the same? Oh, they agree? Bloody hell. Bloody hell, look, there's some traffic. Traffic's suddenly gone mental. 2 cars. Right. Right turn Clyde. Right turn Clyde. That's a thing. Nobody. Young guns wouldn't know what that means, would they? Me and my dad watched it when we were on TV. I used to love watching TV with my dad. You know what films and that when we were younger. And that one, we were both proper belly laughing at that one. It was great. There's 2 of them in there. There's Any Which Way You Can and Any Which Way But Loose. Both good. Well, Clint Eastwood, you know, if you had Clint Eastwood in it, it was always good. There's certain actors in there that you just know it's going to be good. Like Tom Hanks is another. If it's got Tom Hanks in, it's going to be good. I'm nodding at cyclists now, especially pretty ones. Right, we're going right at this, right at a roundabout. We are having some experience today. Oh, roads are getting a little bit bigger. You worry about going abroad and travelling on the wrong side of the road. I know we've had a couple of bloody scary moments, you know, a bit confused, but it's not bad, is it? I mean, the roads are pretty clear and straight, and it seems pretty obvious, really. I mean, the worst part of it is the motorways, because that is, you know, you got vehicles overtaking you left and right, and it's just a bit of a weird setup. But these roads are not so bad at all. Good introduction before you go to Germany. An autobahn. Right, we're going left turn Clyde here. Yeah, here we are speeding. I'm just following this van, doing what the locals do. Mind if he gets a ticket. Yeah, I get to see a Dutch train. I'm going to have a drink of water while I'm waiting. Oh, it's just coming through now. Yeah, sorry, I'm just drinking water. Body and Dial, yeah. Body and Dial, remember them? Yeah, I remember watching it. Body and Dial, and then the American version, Starsky and Hutch. There were some cracking shows in the 70s. Charlie's Angels, Wonder Woman. Yeah, they were 80s then. Cagney and Lacey. A-Team, yeah. A-Team, they sprayed bullets everywhere and nobody ever got shot. Shit shots. It's like my dad with wrestling. World of Sport used to come on, or whatever it were, short wrestling. That's back in the day when it was like Big Daddy Giant Haystacks and all that. Get this bloody rubbish off. Bloody men wrestling, nobody gets hurt. They're actors. Yeah. Rather watch proper boxing. Yeah. Mrs. Google, who's given me the directions, I have to say her pronunciation of all these Dutch places is spot on. Much better than my version. Mine's a made up version because I don't really know how to say it. But it's good though, because when you listen to it you think, right, well that's how you say it. Claverdijk, so we're going on a dike. Oh, hang on, up here. Was yours saying same? And the next one's winter something that I can't pronounce. Winter Swidgeweg or something. Spent all this time driving round Holland. Not seen it to boots once. You know, you'd think fellow travellers and all that, you'd come and meet us, wouldn't you? She's probably in Africa though. That's a problem.
As you may or may not know, crossing borders to another country in Europe doesn't involve stoppages and passport checks. It's just like driving from England to Wales or Scotland. If you're not paying attention, the border crossing can be missed. We are busy chatting away and we miss this tiny sign. Now, I was hoping for this. I would have definitely realised then. Sadly, we sailed straight past without even noticing. Anyway, welcome to Germany. So, now we're in Germany, we can talk about Germany, can't we?
I have to say, to be fair to the Dutch people, they're pretty conscientious drivers. Tell you what, how many potholes have you seen? Been driving in Holland now for 2 days and we've not seen a pothole.
Like I said, we was totally unaware we'd passed over into Germany.
Tell you what, we should get an award for that. Turning left onto B70.
The B70, a German B road. So there's a clue that we missed as well. The German people must have been watching and decided to give us a clue that even we couldn't miss.
How do you know? Oh shit, yeah. Well, that were crap. That were a right letdown. Oh, I was hoping there'd be like some sort of gate that you went through, like, you know, welcome to Germany kind of thing. Wow. How unassuming's that?
So unassuming that you've drove 21 kilometres in Germany and didn't even know that's 13 miles to non-Europeans.
Welcome to Germany. Which is, well, yeah, we think, we're not sure, but I can't believe it. We've gone over a border and there weren't some official, no, some band playing, you know, saying welcome to, come on Sheldon, welcome to Germany.
So our journey today started at the campsite here in Holland, and we made our way through Holland to the border here, and then we carried on all the way to here before we realised we was in Germany.
I'm zooming my map out on sat nav, I can't even see border, so I think we've crossed into Germany. Yeah, we have. Next time is Munster, that's definitely Germany. So we're not even just into Germany, it sounds of it, we're a fair way in. I mean, even at home when you go from England to Scotland, there's a big rocking road that says England, Scotland, whatever. In fact, last time we went, there were a bloody guy in a kilt playing a bagpipe and all. You don't get more Scottish than that.
So it's official then, we are in Germany. In the next episode, we'll be seeing some of the sights that Germany has to offer. Thanks for watching.